Yeah.
C-35 Jonesboro 624.
Okay.
61 north of Luxor, Arkansas 144, Young George, unknown what the last letter is, it's marked off. It's me a black, passenger car.
Okay, what?
CFS comments added. CFS comments added.
Downhill 237, 8 traffic conditions. Good work.
Driver! Get out of the vehicle now!
CFS comments added.
Driver, get out of the vehicle! Push the windshield out and get out!
Officer 237, your ticket?
1050.
Performance Missouri's 19.
Now, back to my car! Back to my car! Turn around! Hands up! Turn
CFS
around!
comments added.
Turn around! That's your problem. Turn around. Walk back to the sound of my voice. Now that's fine. Walk through the ditch. Yes, walk back towards me. Walk back towards me. Walk towards me. That's your problem. Walk through the water. Walk through the water now.
CFS comments added.
Turn around. Turn around, put your hands on your head.
1016, turn
Turn around, put your hands on your head. Stop.
you advised 1015.
Okay, 1016, 1011.
10 Fort 109.
CFS comments added. CFS comments added.
Maybe something else for 1015.
1015 111.
Keep files, Drake. Keep file 37. Just give me 21 whenever you can, no rush. Yeah, we'll keep one up now. Well, make sure she's good.
CFS comments added. CFS comments added. CFS comments added.
You have anything illegal in that vehicle?
I
All right.
anything, it's maybe crimes of marijuana.
Crimes of marijuana.
Right, but
Oh,
I don't
like
have
stop.
anything illegal.
Nothing right there.
No, hold on. I don't have anything in me.
Just get back in there.
My phone's out there on the ground.
That's fine. I will get your property. Just have a seat. Thank you. Watch you later.
Jones Risk 37.
Good.
Conference is going to be 1019. Missouri's contacting the 1016.
Simple.
CFS comments added. CFS comments added.
Jones Russell 37 250. Super, what was your reason for stop?
CFS comments
We'll
added.
call you in a minute.
Super.
CFS comments added. CFS comments added.
Alright, so come here. Turn around. Picture your face for me. Oh, actually, I don't know why I just did that on my phone. Hold on. Alright. Apologies, that was deleted.
It's okay.
Didn't realize I had my phone. Kind of a... Alright, look at me if you don't mind. I need to be able to...
Oh, my ears are hurting real bad.
Yeah, I know, I can tell. It's cut up.
Oh,
Alright, and knot is here.
it's on.
Both sides.
35 down 37.
120.
Oh, yeah, I see it. You didn't have your seatbelt on when you're
No,
running, did
I
you?
didn't.
Okay.
And I'm fucking stupid for running. What
Well,
the
listen
hell
to me,
would
listen to
make
me.
do
Listen,
that?
we're not talking about the criminal side of this right now or anything that just happened. We're only talking about your health, okay?
I know.
So here's the deal. Listen to me. Do you recall what you hit your head on?
I think I hit my head on the windshield.
The windshield. Okay. Remember what happened after that?
I don't.
Hey, listen to me. I'm listen. Stop. Just.
Out a little bit.
I got you. Okay. That was gonna be my thing. Did you black out?
I think so.
Okay. Do you know do you? If you could give an estimate for how long?
When I flipped, I remember hitting my head and then it just went all like.
Are your knees hurting?
Oh yes, my leg is hurting very.
Which leg? Left or right?
This left leg right here.
Left leg?
Yeah, it's hurting real bad.
Is that marker on your ankle?
It might be from something in the car. I'm not sure.
All right. Turn around. I want to sit and get a picture of your ankle. Lift that ankle up for me like you did. Okay. That's perfect. That'll work. All right. So.
Anything?
Just waiting on everybody to get here as far as wreckers and ambulances.
That way, because on the map it showed
Yeah.
there was another intersection.
No, I got you. All right. Do you have your knees or anything? Okay.
Yeah.
When we get to the hospital,
Yeah.
because I'm not telling you have to go,
No,
but
I think I need to.
you need to go. Okay. So, close is Great River Medical. Are you where are you from?
I'm from Blyville.
Okay. Do you want to go to Great River?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. Okay, that works. Perfect. Just have a seat right here. Right now.
I know I'm in Missouri.
Okay, do you know what day of the month it is? Who the president is? Is it a Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday? What day?
I think it's Friday.
Okay. Do you know who the president is?
President Obama.
Okay. All right. What's your date and name?
My name is Natalie. I'm born in March. I don't know, maybe it's just...
All right, well, you're good. Do me a favor. Well, I mean, it's a traumatic experience you just went through, so here you go. I'm gonna have you have a seat, okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna do that. I just need you to get some pictures before the ambulance looks at you, okay?
Yeah.